welcome back, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing the Lisbon street tour, and from Restaurante to Baixa we are going by walk. I'll show you the beautiful streets with beautiful leaf, and yeah, that's it. Let me show you. We are here. My cameraman is here. He's doing some experiment and nothing. Is she pregnant? Hello guys, so finally lighting is up everywhere, and you can see here, one lighting, we missed it. Actually it's captured in my camera but not here. I'll show you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye. Take care.